This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Algebra 2 with a calculator. First, familiarize yourself with your calculator's key functions. Practice graphing various equations to visualize solutions and find intersection points. Also, master using the table feature. It is incredibly useful for checking values quickly. Knowing these calculator basics can save you valuable time and help you verify your answers during the exam, boosting your confidence significantly. Next, let's focus on the essential Algebra 2 concepts. You must master quadratic equations, including factoring and applying the quadratic formula. Thoroughly review exponential and logarithmic functions, understanding their properties, and how to solve related problems. Also, ensure you understand polynomial operations and rational expressions. These core topics frequently appear, so solidifying your understanding here is crucial for success. Now, let's discuss effective test-taking strategies. Always read each question carefully, sometimes twice, to avoid misinterpretations. Utilize your calculator to check your work, especially on multiple-choice questions, by plugging in answer choices. Manage your time wisely. Allocate more time to complex problems worth more points. Don't spend too long on one question, move on and return if time permits. Finally, consistent practice is key to passing. Work through numerous practice problems from various sources, aiming for at least 2 to 3 hours of dedicated study each week. Review past exams to identify common question types and understand the exam's structure. Focus your efforts on areas where you consistently make errors. This targeted practice will strengthen your weak points and build your overall proficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.